Ang ganda ng ano. What's good, everybody? It is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here is another Queendom Divas reaction video. So it's been a while. Now, this was aired last October 1, Sunday. No? Ang kinanta nila is Iconic 80s Hits. Okay, so if you guys are new here, mag-subscribe kayo and do follow me on my Facebook page, David Lanyas, and on Instagram because I do post reaction videos and other vlogs as well. Okay, so with no further ado, kasi medyo na late ako mag-react nito, but it's better late than never. So let's jump right into the video. Lima lang sila. Nice. Hala, bakit wala si Hana? Ganda ng harmony. Yung mga vocal splits, galing. Araw natin na. Woo! Pero bakit wala si Hana? Kaya kanina siguro napansin yung mukha ko, medyo nasad ako. Eto, bagay ito sa kanya. Woo! Solid ng belt notes. Ang linis.
I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end alone.
Ito. Basic. Woo! Sobrang linis nun. Grabe si Jessica. But is it just me? Parang na-notice ko na medyo mas enhanced ngayon and mas malinis yung audio quality ng production nila. I don't know if there is some development sa kanilang audio. Galing.
Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are lost in the tide. Yeah, they're swept away. Nothing is what it seems.
I love her attitude.
Belonging to your dreams. Listen to your heart when it's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. But listen to
Biritera din talaga to si si Thea, no?
before you tell him goodbye.
Woo! Bagay nga siya sa Queendom Divas. So, she's called a diva for a reason. Galing. The veteran.
Some light for me. Figures up ahead, moving in the trees. White skin, linen, perfume on my way.
I just love her confidence as always. Tapos yung character ng boses.
These dreams go on when I close my eyes. Every moment I wait for light.
Galing ni Rita, man.
Is a cloak and dagger? Could it be spring fall? I walk without a cut through a stainless wall.
Nag-catwalk pa ng konti.
My eyesight, the candle in my grave, and the words that have no fall
Ooh.
are falling in my lips. These dreams go on when I close my eyes.
So beautiful.
Every second of the night, I live another life. These dreams that slip
I just love her.
cold outside. Every moment I wait, the further away. There's something out there I can't resist. I need to hide away from the pain. There's something out there I can't
Beautiful vocals, yung character, no, yung texture ng boses niya, lalo na yung falsetto na yung ganun, pag nagdidwell siya doon sa high note sa falsetto niya, it's just beautiful and she's always oozing with confidence talaga.
They whisper
Marian.
on my pillow, leave the winter on the ground. I wake up lonely, this air of silence in the bedroom and all around. Touch me now, I close my eyes and dream away.
Ooh, I love that.
It must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows. It's where the wind blows. It must have been love.
Key change. Galing. Nice. Beautiful, Marian. Beautiful vocals din. Grabe, no? And ang gusto ko sa boses ni Marian is kahit mag-hit siya ng high notes, kahit mag-belt siya, parang ang suwabe pa rin pakinggan. Like, very light lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-aggressive as compared to Jessica, no? May different texture sila. So, Marian also has a distinct vocals, lalo na pag high notes yung ano niya, binibelt niya. Oh, bagay itong kanta sa kanya. Galing. Grabe na bless silang lahat, magaganda, tapos ang gagaling kumanta. And mag-agree ba kayo na let's say hindi gaano kaganda. Okay, let's say example, hindi gaano kaganda or hindi gaano kagwapo, pero pag magaling talagang kumanta, regardless sa genre, nakakagwapo or nakakaganda talaga pagka magaling kang kumanta. Ewan ko lang kasi sa akin I think I've said it in the past a few times na every time na may marinig akong magaling kumanta, kahit hindi ganun ka physically attractive, no, in terms sa kanyang facial features ganun, but talagang pag may voice quality talaga, parang times 10 yung kapugian or kagandahan nung singer na yun, no? Ang kapal ng ano nila, vocal splits, I love it. Ang ganda ng ano. Nice. Lovely. Okay. I think I asked this earlier or I said this earlier na parang na-observe ko na there is really an enhancement or a development sa kanilang audio recording. It's more clean, no? It's cleaner and mahalata mo yung effects na hindi na siya masyadong live. Alam naman natin na it's a live performance, no? But what I'm saying is like parang yung output ng Wish ba? Na alam natin yung Wish they are recording it real time, live. Pero pagdating sa audio processing, no, may mga ini-enhance para mas makaproduce pa ng mas magandang tone na sound. Okay, so just correct me if I'm wrong kasi yun yung na-observe ko dito sa performance na to. But regardless, no, they all did a wonderful rendition of the songs from the 80s. And I think that they're really called divas for a reason, and lahat sila maibubuga in terms of belting, but not just belting, no. They can also be a very good storyteller and talagang emotional, and I love every persona na pinapakita nila while they perform their own song or yung chosen songs nila or yung binigay sa kanila na kanta. And I think konting market pa, no, sa Queendom Divas kasi to be honest, okay, I'll just make a vlog. Okay, I will go out sa public and I'll ask the public, no, if they know Queendom Divas. Okay, tapos papangalanan ko sila. Okay, papangalanan ko sila if they know Thea Asley, Jessica Villarubin. So tingnan natin kung gaano ba talaga ka-effective yung marketing or ginagawang pag-market ng GMA sa Queendom. So dito ako sa Cagayan de Oro, I'm from Mindanao. So i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook so that kasi doon ko ilalagay, magpo-post ako doon ng updates, and I'll post it here as well. Pero doon ako sa Facebook, very active ako doon sa mga other vlogs, no, mga public interview. So if you guys want to know about it, so i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook. Let's do a vlog about that. Kung gaano ba sila kasikat dito sa amin or kailangan ba nilang i-market pa ang Queendom. Okay? So again, this is a beautiful, fantastic performance. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.